all you dirt slinging sisters and misters. We're about to get down and dirty in today's episode. I don't like my hands.
I'm Vinyl Vixen with Slim Shetty and Miss Ashley Afdahl.
Hiya!
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 Here at WrapSesh, this week is a special sponsored race wrap reveal.
Yeah. A race wrap reveal.
For pork chop.
Pork chop?
You
For
should've-
pork chop.
This is one of our sponsored racers. She's gonna tell you all about what she does. We've done quite a few helmets for her and a couple different carts now.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say what you race and how because I'll just destroy it. But
She calls it a cart.
She got the cart.
Everything's
It's
a cart.
It's a thing.
Everything's
it's
a cart.
cart.
It's got 4 wheels. It's a cart.
I don't know about that.
No. There's bigger things than
Okay,
carts.
so what is it then?
Well, last time I was on the YouTube channel, I was racing my go-kart. Now we moved up and I'm racing a 600cc micro sprint. So it's basically like a sprint car, but mini, aka why they call them mini sprints.
Mini sprint.
Micro sprints.
But still a lot bigger than your
A lot
Lot
bigger.
faster.
go-kart.
My go-kart.
Your
yeah.
golf cart.
Not a golf cart.
Almost.
Not quite.
I'm kidding.
But these cars have 600cc motors, which are the same motors that are in street bikes. So like Kawasaki's, Yamahas,
So
blah,
they-
blah, blah.
So they rip.
They rip.
Yeah.
Brah.
And what's the thing that you were racing last week that was outside of your regular?
So last weekend I actually had the opportunity to jump in a champ kart. So it's basically like my
Champ
go-kart, but on steroids. You race on a big track and you go like 50 plus miles an
That
hour.
would be fun.
In a lay-down seat when the track's really bumpy, aka why I look like,
Bruised elbows.
yeah, bruised elbow.
She's a professional.
Sometimes I try. But yeah, so I raced a champ kart and never raced one before. Went out there and actually set the track record. And also am the first female to ever set a track record at my local track, Adobe Mountain Speedway. So yeah.
Yeah. Say,
Female
what's up, pork chop?
power!
She's kind of a big deal.
Sometimes.
It's pretty dope. Yeah.
So we've been working with you and sponsoring you for, the past
4 years?
Yeah, 3 or 4 years. We've done a
Yeah.
couple different helmets for you. We helped with your cart. We got to do this cart the whole time, which was really cool because we got to test out a new film. Maybe not new for us. We started working with Tekton Performance over in Canada.
Canada.
They're in Canada.
Canada.
Over in Canada. And we tried out their LG cast printable film series. So we actually got to try out this LG cast film. It was really, really easy to work with, a super low-tack film,
Yeah.
had great print quality. So if you guys want to try that out, they are readily stocked and available with Tekton Performance. That's Tekton.
No, Tekton.
Oh no!
Not Techron.
Wait.
Tekton.
Yeah,
Tekton.
Tekton. If you don't know how to spell weird, check them out. Tekton Performance.
Yeah.
And yeah, now look at her cart. Car
Cart.
with a T?
No,
Car with
it's
a
not a
T.
cart.
Car with a D.
Race car.
Race car.
Check
Okay,
out-
bye, I go now.
Okay, check out her latest race car wrap.
I like what you do, baby, you're almost too cool. Kicking my life like kung fu, yeah. With you there's no rules, talking as sweet as fruit juice. Finding my spots like voodoo, yeah. Life's a masquerade, masquerade. With you I'm only me, only me. Do what you do and I do what I like to. That's how we do. Do what you do and I do what I like to. I like you, you. We do together what they do like never. You get me started, rushing my head like sake, kicking me like karate, yeah. You do the good stuff, I never give you a rebuff. Sweeter than chocolate syrup, yeah. Life's a masquerade,
watching. We hope you enjoyed our off-road episode this week for Ashley
did.
Afdahl. Give them your social sheeshes.
My social sheesher media icon.
Social shisha meteors?
Again.
Again.
Bunch of weirdos, man.
It's just Ashley Afdahl. You can put it on the screen or down below. It's a Norwegian last name. Probably can't spell it, but it's just Ashley Afdahl. TikTok and Instagram are the main platforms. Go follow. Say hi.
Say hey.
Hi.
And oh wait, aren't you doing the whole voting thing right now?
Oh, I am.
The thing. Do the thing.
And the top link in the description on Rhino Classifieds, every week they pick a new person to win $1,000, and they're doing it all the way till September. You can vote daily, one time every day, and the person with the most votes at the end of the week wins money. So I
Whoa.
can raise.
Good for you.
I voted yesterday.
I
voted
voted today.
He's
I will.
fired!
I haven't got home and to do it. I'm working. Thank you.
But I'd appreciate it if you guys vote so I can keep running the micro sprint, or else I'm gonna have to go back to the card.
And what's the race team that you're on again?
I am racing for Hamlin Morris Racing this year. I have a full ride, so
Full
kind of
ride.
exciting.
A full ride.
Full ride.
ride.
Ain't no half ride around here.
No.
Full.
Take the full ride for
I'll
half
take-
price?
Yeah.
Full ride, half price.
All right, if you guys want to keep up with our daily fun, make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and tickety-tock.
There was a glitch in the matrix there.
I'm sorry, I glitched. And TikTok at WrapSesh AZ. Sometimes it's got a dot in it, or Vinyl Vixen Raps. And we'll see you guys next week. Oh,
Bye.
Later. I don't know. Put your finger somewhere.
No, I won't put my finger nowhere.
You do that all the
I
time.
won't.
You're
Do
woo!
it again.
Oh.
Ew, I feel weird.
Oh, I forgot you were coming in here.
Try to see if you're in frame or whatever.
See? See? I'm not safe around you.
No.
Oh wait,
Is that
like my shirt I wore?
Yeah.
typical?
Like that's dirty.
That is his thing!
That is murder!
Remind me with it.
His people.
He has things to say. Center mic.
Do I look athletic?
There. So athletic.
Ooh!
Bruised my arm the other day.
Bitch, man, I'm chiropractor put on tape.
Total
'cause I'm
race
so
car
badass.
driver.
How did you bruise your arm?
In the race car.
In a race car.
In a go-kart.
Yeah, you ready for you?
Can you do that? Because I'll botch it.
Do what?
You'll definitely botch it.
You got it. I believe in
He
you.
can't remember more than 4 words. Try.
Hello, misters and sisters.
No.
We're going racing.
Not quite.
You're supposed to say, "What's up, guys?" Oh, we don't.
What's up, guys?
Okay, try
You're
again.
supposed to say, "Hey, all you."
Hey, all
You could do it.
I got this.
Hey, all you
Scene.
misters and sisters.
No, you gotta say, "Hey, all you dirt slinging sisters and misters, we're about to get down and dirty in today's episode." I don't like my hands.
I don't know what to do. Are you censoring me?
Hey, misters and sisters.
My boss has half her clothes on, so.